Language Center.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi everybody. Here is Iqra Language Center, which is very famous around the world now, please. We're going to explain now, please understand another lesson, which is about saying goodbye. waxaan doonaynaa inaan sharaxno cashar ku salaysan goodbye, right? Let me read one time before I explain to you into our mother tongue now, please, quite well. Our second lesson is about saying goodbye. Goodbye is different when somebody is leaving, right? From someplace or work, right? Or home. Bye. I'm off. Bye for now. Catch you later. Good night. See you in the circle of life. Saying goodbye sida loo yiraahdo nabadgelyo. Saying goodbye sida loo yiraahdo nabadgelyo. Qofka waxaad ku oran karaysaa haddaad doonto bye. Bye bye, right? Like that. Bye, bye bye, right? You can say sometimes bye. I'm off. Bye, I'm off. It means, what does it mean? Bye, I'm leaving. I'm off. Waan tagayaa nabadgelyo. Bye, nabadgelyo. I'm off. Waan tagayaa. Bye for now. Nabadgelyo imika. It means bye bye. Catch you later. It means see you later. See you later. Waa inoo saragtid dambe wey. Catch you later. Catch you later. See you later. Good night. It means have a nice night. Waa habeen wanaagsan. Have a nice night. Good night. Good night. See you in the circle of life. Haddii lagu yiraahdo macnaheedu waa maxay? Someone who has got a respect for you. Waa qof xushmad ku haya. Noloshaan isku arki doonaa. See you. Waxaan isku arki doonaa in the circle of life. Wareega nolosha. Nolosha dhexdeedana isku arki doonaa. Marka casharkan wuxuu ku salaysnaa saying sida loo yiraahdo goodbye. Nabadgelyo. Bye. Nabadgelyo. I'm off. Haddii lagu yiraahdo I'm leaving. Waan tagayaa wey. I'm off. It means I'm leaving. Goodbye. Right? Have a nice day. Oo kale wey. Maalin wacan. Bye for now. Nabadgelyo imika. Catch you later. Waa inoo saragtid dambe weeye macnaheedu. Good night. Waa habeen wanaagsan iyadana. See you. Waxaan isku arki doonaa in the circle of life. Nolosha dhexdeeda. See you in the circle of life. Goodbye. I'm here again, Abdigani. Nice to meet you. Iqra Language Center. Goodbye. See you.